How to share your location with ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to your tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the quick steps on how you can share your currently active location with ChatGPT so that it can perform analysis or especially answer those questions if they are related to your current location without you having to send it the precise location again and again manually. So in order to share your location automatically with ChatGPT, you will need to edit the following settings in this manner. First, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen, and once you will do this, this particular menu will appear from where you will need to click onto the settings option. Now within the settings, you will see a different types of all of the options. Now from here you can go to the data control. Now within the data controls you can see this location option which says when enabled your location helps ChatGPT provide more relevant information like local recommendations, news and weather. Now to simply turn it on, click onto this turn on option, and in the browser if it asks you for the location, click onto this allow this time and you are all set. Your location will be successfully shared with ChatGPT. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.